CJ. Ross set down, forcing the issue, gets the basket plus the foul.
You see the effort that all the players are putting up, especially when it's a defensive game.
Ball will stay with Rudu. CB inside. Almazan. Nice job pass. Hodge continues from where he left off. 19 for Cliff Hodge. The start of the second half.
It's going to be a grind-out game, Andre. So the extra possession definitely helps.
What a spin and finish!
What a move there by CJ. You've seen this in the previous game. You're seeing it again here. The scores have been low because both teams.
Coach Sandler mentioned earlier a huge emphasis on the Meralco dugout was disparity in passing points. 5 to SMB's 11.5. The coach says that they need to start on defense and only when they make stops can they run. So here in the second half, coach says they need to do a better job at limiting Jumar at the paint and the attack.